Hello guys, today we'll analyze the stock of a company about which many of us might not be aware of, but somewhere we might have used the products of the company or at least have seen or heard about the products. So the company is Mangalam Organics. Now, what does the company do? It is one of the largest manufacturers of camphor, which we call it as Kapoor in Hindi, and it is listed in BSE and has two brands which are Mangalam and Camphor. If we look at the business mix, we can see that there is terpene chemistry under which there is camphor, which is used in many medicines as well as for religious purposes. Dipentene, which is used in paints and polishes. Sodium acetate, which is mainly used in textile industry. They also have synthetic resins under which they have terpene phenolic resin, which is used in adhesive and molded products like balls of pool. Rosin based resins which are used for soap, papers, inks and other purposes. Alkyl phenolic resin which are used for rubber products like tires, belts and also for adhesives. Now if we look at their key clients, we can see they have big players as their clients, which includes Asian Paints, Nerolac, Berger Paints. So all three big players of paint industry. Even Pidilite, Himalaya, Dabur, ITC, Colgate, D-Mart, Reliance, Amazon, Spencer. So having such big clients is one very positive thing about the company. They have retail products also which they are supplying directly from B2C segment to the customers, that is, in which they have camphor and personal care products also under the brand of Camphor. Now the basic raw material for the products of the company is pine tree, which is used to extract oleopine resin, through which there is two categories, turpentine and rosin, and these chemicals are used for various other purposes. Let us have a look at the metrics of the stock. So the market cap of the company is just rupees 573 crores, so it is a small cap. The current price is around 670, and if we look at the book value, it is around 294. The price to book value ratio is 2.28, but for the industry it is 4.31. So this is a positive news for the company. Face value is rupees 10. Now if we look at the PE ratio of the stock, it is just 6, but for the industry it is 26. So we can see here that company is very undervalued as compared to sector. When we look at the return on capital employed percentage, it is around 50%. So this is very huge and healthy figure. Even return on equity is above 40%. Debt to equity ratio is just 0.10. Now, if we look at some of the pros about the company, then company is almost debt free. Yes, company has delivered good profit growth of 59% CAGR over the last 5 years. So this ratio is again a healthy figure. Even company has good returns ratios as we just saw. Now, if we compare the company with its peers, now, guys, company is a very small cap if we compare it with its peers, and even the chemical industry is such a huge sector. So these companies are not the direct competitors of Mangalam Organics. But then also if we compare return on capital employed percentage, we can see that Mangalam Organics returns are much better than other companies in the industry except alkyl amines. If we look at the shareholding pattern, promoters holding is around 55% approx, and FII and DII have almost nil holding. FII has small holding approx to 0.06 percentage, while remaining holding is with public. So we can see here that retail investors have a huge holding in this company. 85% of the revenue comes from terpene operation, which is B2B segment. Another B2B segment, synthetic resin operations, contribute to 5%, while remaining 10% comes from retail operation, which is B2C. If you look at the ratings given by Crisil, in long term it has received A rating, while in short term it has received A2 plus rating. So these ratings are good. We can also see that ratings have been revised to positive, which were earlier as stable. So this is another positive news about the company. Having a look at the financial performance, then revenues were in an increasing trend till FY19, but in the last 2 years, due to the COVID impact and the lockdown impact, revenues have decreased. Now, guys, remember, camphor is a prime product for the company, and during this time, there were restrictions, there were no religious activities, temples were closed, so use of such products reduced, because of which the revenue has also decreased, but EBITDA margin are consistently increasing. We can see here there was a fall in FY20, although profit after tax margin are also increasing. Net worth of the company is consistently increasing. Even return on equity and return on capital employed, as we just saw, are very good. And after the fall in FY20, we can see here a upward trend in such ratios. As we just discussed, that company is almost debt free. So guys, this is the chart of Mangalam Organics on a 1 day time frame. Now I can find a decent support for the stock at the level of 635. Currently stock is above this level. So I think if someone wants to make a fresh entry, this could be a good level to enter in this stock. While on the upper level, stock may face resistance from the 50 days moving average. But guys, just remember, it is a very small company, so please think of an SL before investing and think why are you investing in this company. That is, your purpose of investing should be clear, so you don't get confused or afraid during the volatile markets, because these are small caps and these can react very wildly. If you want to take a SL, you can take an SL at the level of 600. So guys, this was all from this video. If you found the content helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also in the comment section, you can let me know if I missed any important point about this company. Thank you.